Has your student ever heard the story of the magic E? Well, in this episode of Literacy Lunch, we're going to show you what that is. So stay tuned. Before we begin, here's the story of the magic E. The magic E takes its place at the end of the word. It then flies over the consonant and lands on top of the first vowel. It bops the vowel on its head and says, "Say your name." Once it's done working its magic, it goes back down under the consonant and takes its place, going to sleep and without a sound. Now the word rob becomes robe because the magic E made the O say its name. This activity will help students better visualize the concept of the magic E rule. Don't forget to like and share this video, that way more people can check out this fun activity. Here's what you're going to need. Something to use as a wand, such as a popsicle stick, a small twig, or even a ruler, a paper cut out in the shape of a star with the letter E on it, and a list of words. You can check out our list of words in the description below. First, you're going to want to start out with a list of words like this, excluding the magic E. We have man, knot, pin, rob, and tub. Then you're going to have your student take their magic wand and place it at the end of the word where it belongs. They're going to have the magic E fly over that consonant, pop the vowel on its head, and say your name, vowel. Once they do that, they're going to take their wand and have it fly back under the consonant and take its spot at the end of the word, going to sleep without a sound. Have your student now read the word because man becomes main. This is a great activity as it helps students recognize both short and long vowel sounds in words. Students will love this activity as they put words to the test with and without the magic E. What did you think of this activity? Have you done something similar? Let us know in the comments below or by tagging us on social media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel below for more fun activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.